Let's see what we have here. 1967 Chevrolet C10 Shortbox Stepside with some updated things on this one. 6-liter LQ4 EFI engine underneath the hood that's paired up with a 4L80E automatic transmission with overdrive, the desirable one. Full roller motor, aluminum heads and a mild tune. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. This color is actually a GM color. This would be 352E as far as the paint code goes. It's kind of a midnight or navy blue, and it looks good on this truck. This truck has been recently restored. I'm going to go through some of the things that are new on it. There is a list of them, but first, if you want to take a look at the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Polished slotted wheels, radial tires. Good looking wheels in this truck. Let's go ahead, I want to show you this. Front end a little closer, headlight surrounds look good. It looks like newer bumper up front. Chrome looks good, bright work. All right, let's take a look down this passenger side. Once again, you can see the paint shows well. It's not full of a bunch of nicks, dings, major scratches, anything like that. I do want to mention that the glass is tinted. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have on your vehicles. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. 373 rear gears. Here's that step side bed. Fuel fill in the rear of the truck right here. Spray and bed liner. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, let's hit on some of the things that were done during the restoration of this truck. It does have a new water pump, alternator and starter, battery and cables, oil and water temp sending units, plugs and wires, belts and hoses, power steering pump and hoses. There's a 4-core radiator in this with Frostbite high volume cooling fans. As we take a peek up and down the driver's side again, you can see the paint shows well on this side, the reflection of the wall behind me. And again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. All right, how about some more things done during the restoration? It does have new U-joints, exhaust, mufflers on it are new, MagnaFlows, 2.5 inch. Headers, also ball joints up front, just aligned. New fuel tank, sending unit, internal fuel pump and regulator. Then we're going to go to this interior. Interior done by Russo. Great guy. Also does nice work. Take a look at the vinyl bench seat, door panels, carpeting. Everything looking good on the interior. Dakota digital gauges. Kind of retro sound style stereo. Tilt column, as you can see over here. The little bit I've driven this truck, nice and tight. We're also going to take this truck for a drive, so stick around at the very end of the video. Take this truck for a drive, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. But first, let's start it up. Remember, 6-liter LQ4 fuel-injected V8 underneath the hood, paired up with that automatic with overdrive trans. You can see just 66 miles since the Dakota digital gauges were put in. Your vintage AC controls and retro sound style radio. A couple power outlets underneath the dash. Top of the dash looking good. Door closes nicely. And listen to this. This one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. If you like these older classic trucks, maybe muscle cars, maybe late model stuff, tell you what, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, You never know what you'll see come through here, and there are videos added daily. But first, before we do the driving video and all of that good stuff, and you subscribe, we're going to take a peek underneath this hood. Alright, underside of the hood, as you can see, nice and tidy. There it is, 6 liter, and you can see it looks like a new brake booster. Master cylinder. Done up nice as far as the wiring, nice and clean and tidy. Cold air intake. Slip around to this side. Of course, AC compressor. Heater hose is intact. What a setup. Take your time looking this one over. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1967 Chevrolet C10. A nice dark blue metallic paint. This truck has excellent power brakes, very nice tight steering. It is an automatic on the column. See how she does on the highway. Very good acceleration in this truck. Plenty of power. The truck handles that power well. Interior looking like new to me. We got a very nice bench seat. Black vinyl, black carpet, headliner. Is your body colored paint. The sun visors are matched to the black vinyl. Volt gauge is working well, showing 14 volts. Fuel gauge, just in the corner. These are aftermarket gauges, and they look really nice. Black finish, matches the dash well. Tachometer working well. Temperature is a little over 180, and the oil pressure is at 50. Vintage air system for your air control in this car. Truck, I should say. Retro sound style radio in the dash.
Finding great candidates.
That's working well. Fun to punch that throttle. Get down working well in this automatic transmission. Very good handle on the truck. Nicely restored. I'd say modified to better than factory condition. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.